The jungles framing the Amazon River have been the home of people for thousands of years. Over 400 tribes have called the Amazon rainforest home, and, shockingly, most of these tribes have legends that describe a race of giants walking the land. But what could these legends describe? What is history trying to tell us about this region? New discoveries may reveal the truth about Amazonian giants in the Ecuadorian rainforest, discoveries that the scientific community continue to refuse to investigate. Why are scientists so afraid of the possibility of giants, and what does this fear tell us about the possibility that this race of people actually existed in our distant past? In 2012, a team of explorers made an astonishing discovery in the Ecuadorian jungle. The team believes the discovery was of a yet undiscovered complex. Within the complex lay a pyramid 80 meters high. The walls of the pyramid are constructed with large blocks, each weighing over 2 tons. The top of the pyramid is flat, and many have theorized that it was used for ceremonial purposes. While the builders have yet to be identified, most suspect that the builders of the site are a pre-Incan tribe. Pottery and tools were found scattered amongst the structures, and several of the tools held a shocking secret. They are believed to be too large to be used by the hand of a normal-sized human. According to author and researcher, Bruce Fenton, the previously undiscovered Ecuadorian complex may in fact be the lost city of giants. There are many legends of an ancient civilization of giants in the area of Ecuador where the complex was found, and Fenton even claims that the bones of giants have been found in caves around the same area. Fenton believes that legends describing a great city where giant tribes met may explain the recently discovered complex. It is believed that ancient, giant cultures gravitated to the Ecuadorian jungles as a meeting place due to the area's strong vibrations. During the investigation of the site, several hills were found that could also hide monolithic structures. On one of the hills, soil was cleared from the side, revealing cut and dressed stone rock. Due to the protective soil covering it, the stone was quite smooth, leading investigators to believe that the structure was man-made. Comparing the eroded sides of the pyramid to the newly unearthed protected side of the hill lead investigators to the conclusion that the site is one of the oldest found in the region. The makeup of the complex resembles ancient complexes found in Peru, such as the fort at Sacsayhuaman, which Native American legend claims was built by a mysterious people who knew how to soften rock with some sort of plant material. Could this ancient culture be a civilization of giants? The amazing tools found at the site point to a truth that may startle the scientific community. Scattered amongst the grounds are hammers and other building tools that are much too large for a normal-sized human. The oversized hammers and hammerheads would be much too heavy to be used by the Inca people or anyone of normal human size, leading Fenton to believe that the site is one of the lost cities of giants. This isn't the first time giant-sized tools have been found, pointing researchers to a conclusion that the scientific community has yet to accept, and that is that an ancient civilization of giants once walked the face of the earth. Fenton has promised further study of the site, and hopefully his findings are released sooner rather than later. Tales of ancient giants are commonplace among ancient cultures. While proof has been hard to come by, there's little doubt that something is fueling the stories of an ancient civilization of giants. Could the apparent findings of an ancient Ecuadorian lost city of giants be the proof that many have been waiting for? Will the scientific community finally take the subject of giants seriously? We can only hope. Until then, we must read and study in order to come up with our own conclusions. There's a real possibility that an ancient culture of giants existed on Earth, and it's possible that this discovery in Ecuador will finally produce the proof that some have been searching for. From Strangish TV, thanks for watching.